You're watching Rat TV.
It's feeding time.
Okay, I'll get mine. Come on, buddy.
Get mine. Hey, buddy.
Okay. Feel mine. Watch, I'll take it right from my hand. Elephant, elephant, look at me, look at me. They eat rat blocks.
Now it's time for Rackman. Rackman, you want some food? Here, buddy. Want this? Come on, take it. Okay, buddy. There you go. Come on, buddy.
Why do they all like to hide in between my legs and eat?
Oh, he's a little scavenger. Ooh. Got some action going on there.
Oh, come here, so.
Well, let's let them eat in peace. So I think I'm gonna go do something.